Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will apply our method of restoring headlights permanently on this Mercedes C-Class here. We'll make those things look like brand new again. You can see they started turning yellow already. And that needs to go away. Okay, you can see they have that film there. Still not as bad as some cars, but we want them to look like brand new and have that amazing shine. So what we're going to use, guys, it's a 1200 water, sandpaper and water. And we're going to sand those, and if you do that for the first time, we recommend to tape everything around the headlight. Just get painter's tape and check this thing out. You can see that yellowish film. Okay, that's coming off of it. That's the sunburn. You can see it's yellowish, even almost brown. So all that needs to come off. Probably you need to sand with the 1200 probably about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, you can see now the foam started turning whitish. That's what you want, not yellowish, just to be white. Okay, we're going to rinse it. It's going to look really dull. We're gonna take next 2000 sandpaper, okay, water sandpaper, dip it in water now. 3M and Gator, they're pretty nice. That's what we like to use, either 3M or Gator. The 2000 will help us buff that really good. Never ever spray clear coat on those. We've seen some on YouTube, people will just spray clear coat on headlights, and if you don't do it right, you're gonna burn the plastic. Even if you do it right, you still might damage the plastic and it's done. It's not repairable. After that you'll get foggy and you will need to buy a new headlight, which could be pretty expensive. So that method is the one to use. It's going to restore them to factory shine, probably 95% of the time. And if you apply sealant on those every 6 months, they will stay shiny as long as you do that. Okay, you can see that's what they're supposed to look. Now we're going to dry that area, and it needs to be perfectly dry for the next step. Stay with us, you see how it's going to turn out dull. So next we use a 3M Perfected Series rubbing compound. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of it out. You need to shake those good before you work with them. Okay, probably that will be enough. And we're going to apply it on the headlight. Okay, you need to cover the whole headlight. Like that. Maybe even a little bit more. Okay, and next we need to use a buffer with a foam pad, and this is a rotary buffer, so we're gonna go about 1700 RPMs. Okay, and after that we're going to use a machine polish by the same series, Perfected by 3M. Shake this one again, and we're just going to apply a thin layer. You might need to do the rubbing compound twice, depending how bad it is. Ours wasn't bad at all, to be honest with you, compared to some of them that we've done in the past. So we're going to go ahead and apply a thin coat of that as well. Okay, like that. And buff it. Alright guys, and if you use any kind of sealer, that will be amazing. It will protect the clear coat, I mean not the clear coat, but the top of the headlight for a long time. You just need a little bit, and if you apply it every 6 months, probably recommend 3 if you want to keep them super shiny all the time and you don't have to do so much work. Okay, just apply some and then on microfiber towel, and you're gonna wipe it really good. And that works amazing. That's by Chemical guys right here. We like their products, quite amazing products there. Okay. Alright guys, so let's check the result now compared to the other side. Okay, check this thing out. Shiny, crystal clear. You can see all the way inside the lens with no problem. Okay, look at the other side, just side by side. You can see the difference, how yellowish this one is. It looks old, it looks terrible. It looks like the car is 10 years older. And it's a 2005 model, okay? And right there now, look at that one, it looks amazing. So that will be the whole procedure guys. Hopefully the video was helpful.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.